Is there anything worse than expecting a clean home only to step in a mysterious puddle near your Roborock S7 MaxV vacuum dock? Or maybe you've pushed the clean button and your robot just sits there. So why is this happening? Our diagnostics at Robocare usually reveal two specific culprits. The leaking is caused by a faulty peristaltic pump inside the wash dock that fails to hold water, while the power loss is simply a degraded or faulty battery that can no longer hold a charge. Ignoring this is risky. Leaking water can corrode sensitive electronics, turning a repairable glitch into a total loss. Plus, a dead battery turns your smart bot into a very expensive paperweight. But don't panic. Robocare has the parts and the know-how to fix this. At Robocare, we aren't just general repairmen. We are specialized experts in the Roborock ecosystem. Our technicians have logged thousands of hours diagnosing the complex interaction between the S7 MaxV's dock mechanics and its power systems. We know exactly why these failures happen. Using precision diagnostic equipment, we confirmed the culprits: a failure in the dock's peristaltic pump and a degraded power cell. Our solution is comprehensive. We don't do patch jobs. We perform a full extraction of the faulty pump to ensure your floors stay dry, and we install a fresh, high-capacity battery to restore factory-level runtime, using only genuine components. But talk is cheap. Let's look at the proof and check out the difference. With a new pump installed and a fresh, genuine battery, the leaks are history. This S7 MaxV is back to full power, navigating flawlessly and cleaning like it just came out of the box. Don't let a broken vacuum gather dust. Visit our website or call us today to book your repair.